Hello, hello. Welcome back. It's Quinton, the fashion doll, and I am here to unbox some more dolls for you. I am recording yet another video on Thanksgiving. I'm just extra and wanted to change my shirt so I can match the Kens. But we are having a Ken party, and we are continuous or holiday gift wish list. And if you are looking for gifts to get a doll lover or child in your life, how about some Ken Fashionistas? I received these from my friend and subscriber Arlissa. And these were the first Kens and the only Kens I have, yes. But I will be getting more. I actually ordered the I Am Knuff hoodie from the Barbie movie, but I think mine isn't shipping until December. So hopefully I get it soon. I would like to take it on my trip to Jamaica. But we're gonna open them. I was very excited. Now this is true diversity. Diversity is just not about someone being black and someone being white and someone being Latin. He not only does he's kind of giving me a Latin man, but he also has vitiligo, and we love that. And then I got this handsome black Ken as well. Let's open the vitiligo Ken first. And on the back of the packaging, it does show the other fashionistas in the line. I love these pouches that these come in. And I feel like I'm probably going to use these for storage. Oh, and it has a tag. Of course it has a tag. Before you can even unzip it. The girls must be still a lot. Okay. But this is giving me like the old Barbie boxes with the window, but it's just completely clear. Very cute. Okay, he's in some plastic. And that's the background. You can actually take this out. Oh, the whole thing comes out. Also, I can keep this if I want to. I may keep that. That's cute. And it's perforated. Yes, you can keep it. And then the other dolls in the line, and he's number 192. This background card reminds me of Saved by the Bell. It's very 90s to me. Oh, and the Barbie is on there. This is so cute. I'm going to use this as like a little clutch or something one day, because this is so cute. Especially if you could put a strap on this, it could be like a little bag. Definitely will be upcycling this. And stay tuned, because maybe I'll do a video on what to do with these. Very cute. But here is Mr. Ken. He is handsome. Come on, legs. I'm a leg man. He got some nice legs. And he got his toes out. Come on, sandal. Okay, let's just take him out of there. Easy. Basic articulation on this one, at the shoulders, at the waist. I'm gonna leave the rubber bands on the shoes, so I know they're gonna slide off. But his feet are not arched, they're flat, which I guess makes sense. The Kens don't wear heels. But if you notice, you can see his vitiligo. He has, the different complexions, the different tones. Handsome face. This is so funny. I've never had a Ken. Oh, and I guess his legs go out a little too. But very basic. The back Velcros to take the shirt off. Let's see what he looks like without his shirt on. Okay, just simple. No belly button. They could have gave him some more vitiligo on his back or chest or stomach, but cute. And of course he has on Malibu. That's where the original Barbie resides, or it's from, Malibu. Horrible short. I think he looks cute. I think the sandals kind of coordinate with the tank top, and I like the color block with the coral short. Cute. I don't have anything to say. I guess most of the Kens have molded on hair. You can turn his head around. It doesn't really move up and down. The Barbie's heads aren't squishy like this, are they? I guess they are a little squishy. And if you watch my Totally Hair unboxing, I boil washed her hair, and boy, can you tell the difference? Looks so much better. Praise God. But yes, it would be cool to have some fabric hair, but again, the Fashionistas are a budget line of dolls, so you know, you get what you pay for, no Sade. Let's open this handsome guy right here, number 183. Again, he has that card in the back. His looks a little different. Yeah, it's a little different. Different color. Here is his illustration, which I'm going to keep again. The illustrations are really cute, and they look, both of them look very close to the illustration. It looks like the illustration, he has brown hair. They could have made his hair lighter because his hair definitely looks black on the actual doll. But still handsome. Oh, cute. Okay. Again, we're going to save this. I promise I'm making one of these a clutch. Just watch. Don't believe me. Just watch. Okay. But here he is out of the box. He seems like he has a little more muscle, like he's thicker than this Ken. His legs look thicker, and he feels a little more solid. I don't know what this is with the legs, and I don't know if you can see that in camera, but I've noticed that some of the Barbies and Kens on their legs and arms, it'll go from shiny to matte, and I can see it on here. I like his outfit. We love a lime green and we love camo, so this is cute. And I like how it kind of ombres to the lime green. It's not really at the top. His head goes around, a little up and down. Again, arms move at the shoulders, at the hip. Here are his shoes. His shoes are giving me like definitely a basketball shoe. I don't know if it's a Huarache or what, but his shoes are giving me a real shoe. You can slide them off in the back. Honey, they got the Kens fine. Come on, thighs. He got some nice thick thighs, honey. But yes, they are both very handsome. Both of them, if they were real men, could get it in real life. Yes. Is one taller than the other? Are they the same height? But yes, both of our Kens are Knuff, and they are Quinton approved. So these are some other cute little gift ideas you can get for someone. A nice stocking stuffer. You know, doesn't take up too much room. But I like the Mr. Kens. I'll probably get another Ken. I'm not super crazy about Ken, so I think I'm more selective on what I would like. I have seen the rollerblading Ken from the movie. And then they just came out with that Ryan Gosling Ken that has on the Knuff hoodie. So I'm not sure what Ken I will be getting in the future to add to my collection. But I plan to get one at some point. And pardon me, just tidying up. But yes, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I know some other fashionistas just came up. I think they might have two Kens. I know it's a lot of girl dolls, but they have some Kens too, I believe. So look out for the new ones. I think they have started hitting stores, and I saw some on Amazon. But again, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Send this video to someone who's looking for shopping for Christmas gifts. That would be stunning. Please comment what you thought about the Kens, especially vitiligo Ken. So cute, so diverse, so inclusive. And I will see you soon. Ta-ta.